Welcome, friends, to a journey towards a healthier you. A journey where we explore the fascinating world within, where tiny engines work tirelessly to keep us going. Today, we embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of a faster metabolism, a key to unlocking your body's potential for weight loss. Join me as we delve into the world of 31 metabolism-boosting foods, each with its unique way of stoking the fires within. Let's begin, shall we? Our first stop brings us to a humble yet powerful food, a symbol of new beginnings. The egg, nature's protein powerhouse, holds the key to kickstarting your metabolism. Packed within its delicate shell is a wealth of nutrients, chief among them, protein. This essential building block of life plays a crucial role in boosting your metabolic rate, the rate at which your body burns calories. Imagine your metabolism as a furnace, and protein as the fuel that keeps it burning bright. With each bite of an egg, you're feeding the furnace, keeping it roaring throughout the day. So embrace the power of the egg and let it fuel your journey towards a faster metabolism and a healthier you. Our journey now leads us to the realm of ancient grains, where tiny seeds hold the promise of a faster metabolism. Flax seeds, often overlooked, are nutritional powerhouses, brimming with fiber and healthy fats. Fiber is the unsung hero of digestion. It sweeps through your digestive system, keeping things moving. This aids in boosting your metabolism. And let's not forget the healthy fats in flax seeds. These fats support your metabolism and provide sustained energy. So, sprinkle some flax seeds on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or incorporate them into your baking. These tiny seeds hold the power to unlock a faster metabolism and a healthier you. Lentils. These tiny legumes might not seem like much, but don't let their size fool you. They pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your metabolism. You see, lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber, both essential for stoking your body's internal furnace. Protein, as you know, requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates, and fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. But the benefits don't stop there. Lentils are also rich in iron, a mineral crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body. And without sufficient oxygen, your cells simply can't function at their best, let alone burn calories efficiently. So consider adding a hearty serving of lentils to your next meal. Now, for those who like a little fire in their food, let's talk chili peppers. These fiery pods contain a natural compound called capsaicin, and it's this capsaicin that gives chili peppers their signature heat. But capsaicin does more than just make your mouth tingle. It can actually temporarily increase your metabolic rate. You see, when you consume capsaicin, your body responds by slightly raising its temperature. And this increase in temperature, though subtle, can lead to a small boost in calorie expenditure. Now, I'm not suggesting you go and devour a plateful of habaneros. Start slow, perhaps adding a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes to your next meal. For centuries, ginger has been revered for its medicinal properties. This knobby root, with its subtly sweet and spicy flavor, has been used to soothe upset stomachs, reduce inflammation, and even combat the common cold. But did you know that ginger can also give your metabolism a gentle nudge? It's true. Studies have shown that ginger may enhance calorie burn and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Now, you won't suddenly shed pounds overnight by simply adding ginger to your diet, but incorporating it into your meals, whether fresh, powdered, or steeped as a tea, can contribute to a more balanced and efficient metabolism over time. So the next time you're feeling adventurous in the kitchen, why not reach for some ginger? Green tea. A beverage enjoyed for centuries, steeped in history and tradition. But beyond its soothing aroma and delicate flavor lies a secret. Green tea possesses a unique power, the ability to gently nudge your metabolism into a higher gear. This remarkable ability comes from compounds called catechins, natural plant chemicals that have been shown to enhance the body's ability to burn calories. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a warm, comforting drink, consider green tea, a beverage that not only soothes the soul but also awakens the fires within. For many of us, the morning begins with its comforting aroma, the rich dark brew that awakens our senses and sets us on our way. Coffee, a beverage beloved by millions, is more than just a pick-me-up. It's a potent elixir that can stir the metabolic flames within. The secret lies in caffeine, a natural stimulant that kickstarts our system, increasing our heart rate and jump-starting the body's calorie-burning engine. So whether you prefer it black, with a splash of cream, or as a meticulously crafted latte, remember that each sip of coffee is a tiny push towards a more energized you. From side dish to star player, broccoli often gets overlooked. But don't let its unassuming appearance fool you, for this cruciferous vegetable packs a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your metabolism. Broccoli is a rich source of fiber, a dietary superhero that helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. But that's not all. This verdant vegetable is also teeming with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a true nutritional powerhouse. So, the next time you're looking for a simple yet effective way to fire up your metabolism, remember the humble broccoli, a true testament to the power of nature's bounty. Apples, a symbol of health, a taste of fall. But did you know these crisp fruits are also allies in the quest for a faster metabolism? Apples are packed with fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies digest slowly. This slow digestion requires more energy, ever so slightly increasing the amount of calories we burn. But that's not all. Apples also help us feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings that can derail our weight loss efforts. So, next time you reach for a snack, consider grabbing an apple. We all remember Popeye, the sailor man who gained incredible strength from a simple can of spinach. Spinach holds a powerful secret. It's rich in iron, crucial for transporting oxygen in our bodies. Iron powers our metabolism and supports red blood cells, essential for energy. So, while spinach might not make your biceps bulge, it supports a healthier metabolism. Almonds, those small, unassuming nuts, are actually powerhouses of nutrients. Packed with protein and healthy fats, they provide a satisfying crunch while boosting our metabolism in several ways. Protein, as we know, requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fats. This means that by simply including almonds in our diet, we're giving our metabolism a little nudge, encouraging it to work a bit harder. But almonds don't stop there. They also contain healthy fats, the kind that help us feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating and keeping our energy levels stable. So, whether you enjoy them as a snack, sprinkled on your yogurt, or incorporated into a trail mix, almonds are a delicious and convenient way to support a healthy metabolism. We journey now to the humble oat, a grain often overlooked but brimming with quiet strength. Don't let its simplicity fool you, for within each tiny kernel lies a powerhouse of fiber, a key that unlocks the door to a more efficient metabolism. This fiber acts as a slow-burning fuel, keeping your energy levels steady and preventing those energy crashes that can lead to overeating. So start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal and feel the difference this unassuming grain can make. Like sapphires scattered across a summer field, blueberries offer more than just visual delight. These tiny jewels are bursting with antioxidants, those valiant protectors that combat damaging free radicals in the body. But their benefits don't stop there. Blueberries have also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in maintaining a healthy metabolism. So sprinkle a handful on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as nature intended. A simple, delicious snack that packs a powerful punch. The grapefruit, with its vibrant color and tangy sweetness, holds a surprising secret. This citrus fruit has been shown to have a positive impact on our metabolic rate, helping us burn calories more efficiently. Some believe this effect is due to the grapefruit's ability to regulate insulin levels, while others point to its high water content, which keeps us feeling full and hydrated. Regardless of the reason, adding grapefruit to your diet is a refreshing and flavorful way to give your metabolism a little boost. We often think of yogurt as a light snack, a refreshing treat on a warm day. But did you know this creamy delight is also a silent worker, quietly boosting your body's furnace? Yogurt, especially the Greek variety, is packed with protein, an essential ingredient in building and repairing our body's tissues. This process, my friends, requires energy, and that's where the metabolic magic happens. The more protein we consume, the harder our metabolism has to work to break it down, leading to a subtle but significant increase in calorie burn. So the next time you reach for a cup of yogurt, know that you're not just indulging your taste buds, but also giving your metabolism a helping hand. The avocado, with its rich, creamy texture, has become a culinary darling in recent years. But long before it graced toast and smoothie bowls, the avocado held a secret, the power to stoke the body's internal fire. Unlike some fats that we often avoid, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that actually help our bodies burn energy more efficiently. These good fats work behind the scenes, optimizing the way our cells use energy and even helping to regulate hormones that play a role in metabolism. So, enjoy that avocado toast guilt-free, knowing that you're fueling your body with a powerful metabolic ally. From the icy depths of the ocean comes a swimmer with a gift, a treasure trove of nutrients that can invigorate our bodies. Salmon, with its vibrant pink flesh, is not just a delicious meal, but a powerful ally in our quest for a healthier metabolism. The secret lies in its rich omega-3 fatty acid content. These essential fats, my friends, are like the conductors of our body's orchestra, ensuring that everything runs smoothly, including our metabolism. Omega-3s help to reduce inflammation, a silent saboteur of metabolic health, and improve insulin sensitivity, allowing our bodies to use energy more efficiently. So do yourself a favor and add a serving of salmon to your plate. You'll be giving your taste buds a treat and your metabolism a much-needed boost. Brown rice, that humble grain, holds a secret power within its hull. It's a powerhouse of fiber, boosting your body's metabolic rate. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its fiber-rich bran layer. This fiber keeps you fuller longer and prevents energy crashes. It encourages your metabolism to work harder, burning more calories. Consider brown rice, a simple yet effective ally for a faster metabolism. From the heart of the Andes Mountains comes quinoa, an ancient grain revered for its nutritional prowess. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. These amino acids are crucial for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. Incorporate quinoa into your diet to boost metabolism and become a calorie-burning machine. Don't let their sweet taste fool you. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse for boosting your metabolism. They're brimming with fiber, keeping your digestive system humming and your metabolism running smoothly. Sweet potatoes are also a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs provide a steady release of energy, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. We've journeyed through vibrant fruits, vegetables, and proteins, each playing their part in metabolism. Now we encounter the humble bean packed with protein and fiber. Beans boost metabolism. Protein requires more energy to digest, and fiber keeps you full longer. So whether black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, each bite aids a healthier metabolism. From the humble bean, we move on to garlic. Celebrated for adding depth to dishes, garlic also holds a hidden power. Allicin in garlic may boost metabolism. Studies suggest it helps burn calories. More research is needed. So, next time you add garlic, remember, it's more than just flavor. Our journey through metabolism-boosting foods brings us to cinnamon. This spice offers more than just flavor. Cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon may boost metabolism. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in weight management. Cinnamon also has a thermogenic effect, slightly increasing calorie expenditure. It's a touch of metabolic magic. Now, here's a treat that doesn't come with a side of guilt. Dark chocolate, the kind with a high cocoa content, can actually be a friend to your metabolism. It's all thanks to the antioxidants packed within those rich dark squares. These antioxidants can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use glucose for energy instead of storing it as fat. Remember, moderation is key. A small square or two of dark chocolate a day is enough to potentially reap its metabolic benefits without overdoing the sugar. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest. We often overlook the profound impact of something as basic as water. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for a multitude of bodily functions, and that includes your metabolism. When you're dehydrated, your metabolic rate can actually slow down. Think of it like this. Water helps to stoke the fires of your metabolism, keeping everything running smoothly. So, keep that water bottle close and take regular sips throughout the day. Your body will thank you. When it comes to building a strong, healthy body, protein is non-negotiable. And lean meats are an excellent source of this essential macronutrient. Think chicken breast, turkey, fish, and lean cuts of beef. They provide the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, and muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. This means that by incorporating lean meats into your diet, you're essentially giving your metabolism a helping hand, even when you're not hitting the gym. Remember, a protein-rich diet is a key player in your weight loss journey. And so, we come to another key player in the quest for a revved-up metabolism: green vegetables. From the vibrant spinach in our salads to the crunchy broccoli on our plates, these emerald gems offer more than just a burst of color. They are, in essence, nature's gift to our bodies, packed with fiber that keeps us feeling full and satisfied, regulating our digestion, and providing a steady stream of energy, all while aiding in the grand scheme of boosting our metabolism. Berries, those little jewels of the plant world, bursting with flavor, also hold a potent secret within their tiny forms. They are brimming with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to overall well-being. But their benefits don't end there. These vibrant fruits, from the deep blues of blueberries to the bright reds of strawberries, also play a role in boosting our metabolism, helping our bodies operate at their peak. And finally, we arrive at nuts, those satisfyingly crunchy wonders that pack a powerful nutritional punch. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, each variety brings its own unique profile of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to the table. These nutrients work in harmony, keeping us feeling full and energized, while also contributing to a boosted metabolism. A handful of nuts can be the perfect snack, a satisfying crunch that fuels our bodies and keeps us moving forward. Seeds, small but mighty allies in our quest for a faster metabolism. These nutritional powerhouses boost your body's calorie-burning engine. From chia to pumpkin seeds, the variety is vast. Seeds are an excellent source of protein and fiber. Protein requires more energy to digest, boosting metabolism. Fiber keeps us fuller longer, preventing cravings. Many seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Sprinkle them on salads, add to smoothies, or enjoy as a snack. Our journey through metabolism-boosting foods takes us to the tropics, where the coconut palm reigns supreme. From its refreshing water to its versatile flesh, the coconut offers a wealth of benefits. Coconut oil is celebrated for its unique properties, especially its ability to boost metabolism. Rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, coconut oil is metabolized differently. MCTs travel straight to the liver, converting into energy rather than fat. This rapid conversion boosts metabolism, like adding kindling to a fire. A faster metabolism means more calories burned, even at rest. Now, that's working smarter, not harder. And so, we come to the end of our journey through the vibrant world of metabolism-boosting foods. From eggs to coconut oil, each ingredient ignites our body's calorie-burning furnace. Success lies in sustainable lifestyle changes. Combine these foods with exercise and listen to your body. Transform your health and reach your goals. It starts with a single step, a single choice. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep the fire within you burning bright. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video. And please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know what happens to your body when you stop eating fast food, watch the video on your screen next.